Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off notifications on YouHodler. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Launch open YouHodler application on your mobile device. Sign into your account like you normally do by entering your account's credentials. After signing into your account, from the main homepage of YouHodler, go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Now, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Toggle off the button right next to Email Notifications or Push Notifications, and make sure to leave all of these boxes unchecked in order to turn off notifications from YouHodler. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.